Hi everyone, I'm Elle and I wanted to share a haul of all the stuff that I picked up in Hawaii while I was on vacation. Yeah, well, I don't really have anybody in my personal life that I can share this stuff with without boring them to death, so yeah, I thought I'd share it here. So let's start with these. I don't know if everybody knows, but in Hawaii they have discounted pricing and their sales tax is much cheaper than it is where I live in California. So whenever we go, which is like once a year or once or twice a year, I like to go shopping there as opposed to at home. So let me just, after all of that, let me tell you what I got. This is a mixture of stuff that I got in Oahu and Maui. So first, I'll start with smallest to largest or something like that, I guess. These are a pair of Gucci glasses. I forgot my pair of glasses, so my brother was getting this really gorgeous pair of Cartier glasses, so I figured, and then they were having like a $60 off any pair after that at Sunglass Hut. So I thought I would take advantage of that and the sales tax. There isn't like a big discount, well, where we bought them at. I don't know about glasses at the Gucci store, but let me just show you these. They're very cute, classic type glasses, and I like how they kind of cover your under eye here. So there's that, and then next thing I got, this isn't in order, but I'm just going smallest to largest. The next thing I got was this, and every time I go to Louis Vuitton in Hawaii, I like to check it out because I don't know how their shipment goes, but I always notice that whenever I ask for stuff over there, they show me like a whole bunch of stuff and they're like very excited, like, have you seen this? Have you seen that? So the first thing I asked for was this, and this is the Agenda cover. Right now I ordered some paper that I put in here. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this. I have the PM size, which is much smaller. I like that for like every day, like jotting down notes, but I'm planning on using this as like an everyday planner. So I'm super excited about that. So as far as pricing goes, let's see. I got this for I think right now on, sorry about that. Okay, so as far as pricing goes, this was $5.90 for their pricing, the Hawaii pricing, and then their sales tax was $24.58 for a total of $614.58. And please excuse my chip nail. But yeah, super excited about that. And then I told the sales associate about how I go there because of how it's kind of hard to find stuff where I live in California. And then she brought this out and I was so like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. I was not planning on getting this. And it is the reverse pochette métis, and I was so métis, oh, whatever. But yeah, I was so excited to find this because I've never actually seen it in the store because it's always sold out. So isn't she freaking pretty? Yeah, so I have the original pochette métis, which I got like in maybe like in 2018 or something like that, and I freaking love it to death. So I was super excited to see this because the only thing that I don't like about my pochette métis is it's the original monogram print, and I'm the kind of person that loves the look of like aged vachetta, but I'm scared of getting like watermarks and stuff, and I figured that this would be a nice alternative in the winter and like a carefree type of thing, and I see myself taking this on vacations and stuff like that. So yeah, I was super excited. And then let me share the pricing. Let's see, we'll stack over here. So let me make sure I cover everything here. Okay, so I don't know if you could see there. $23.40 without tax. And then with tax, I think I got this in Maui. So with tax was 97.50, and then there's my total. So yeah, so that was a pretty good savings. I know that this is way more expensive than when I bought it in 2018. Like in 2018, it was under 2,000. I want to say it was like 1,800 or something like that. I mean, it's super expensive now, but the prices are only going to go up. And I don't have a reverse monogram print, so yeah, super excited about this one. Yeah, so let's put it down there. It looks so pretty. And then I went to Gucci, and let me scoot these guys over. So I went to Gucci, and me and my mom were looking at a bunch of bags, and I saw this one, and I was so freaking excited. Yeah, let me just scoot these guys over. I haven't actually taken this one out because it was packaged so well. It came in this really gorgeous green box, and then this is the bag. So freaking cute. Look at that. So cute. Yeah, so we like to shop at Gucci in Hawaii a lot too, because the discount is really good. I want to say it's between 10 to 18%. And then let me just show you this guy. Oh, he's all packaged up, but you can see the gorgeous handle. Ugh, okay. Let me just go offline and take all of this stuff off. I did everything out of frame, but look at how well they packaged it. They kept this strap on the handle because I heard that it can get misshapen, so they added that, and you can kind of see a sneak peek of her under here. But let me just go ahead and take this off. Okay, so I got all the packaging off, and don't mind my little finger. I got a little boo-boo, so I put a band-aid on it. But let's take a moment to see how beautiful this bag is. I think it's called the Gucci Bamboo something or other. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but originally when we went to Gucci, my mom was looking for a bag, and then when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, she's so pretty, because I am a sucker for this bamboo strap. I also looked at the Diana bag, which I think is really cute too, but there's just something about this that was a little more timeless, and I am a sucker for having multiple ways to carry your bag. So when I saw that it came with 2 straps, and this one's a little more casual, and then because it's such a formal bag, and then this strap you know, is if I want to kind of not use the red and blue strap, this one would go with it really pretty. And there's just like the details of this bag is just so pretty, and I think I'm at a point in my collection where I can where I want to get bags that are kind of a little more less loud and kind of more timeless, but still a little fun, and I think this kind of fit that. And then here's the inside. I'm not going to do a whole like first impression type thing. Maybe I'll do another video for that, but I just kind of wanted to show you. And then when the sales associate whipped out this, I kind of just went, oh my gosh, I have to have that. It's a little mirror. On the other side it's a mirror, but I don't want to flip it over because I'm going to blind everybody. But yeah, isn't that so cute? And then you can also kind of use this as a card holder if you want. But yeah, I just really love the versatility of this. And I know that the leather, it seems a little fragile, but I think this is one of those bags. I'm not planning on using it every day, so I kind of went for it, and I'm really excited. Oh, please excuse my dog. Yeah, as I was saying, I cannot find the receipt for the life of me, but I checked online, and this bag is selling for, it's the small, not the mini, and it's selling for, I think, $3,300 online, mainland pricing. And then I want to say that I paid a little, like around $3,100 including taxes. So and I think from what I remember, The sales associate told me that there is like a 10 to 20% depending on what exactly you're buying. But yeah, every time I go to Hawaii, I always like to check out Gucci. And yeah, it's so pretty. Okay, let me scoot all of this over and then get the last thing that I bought over there. I scooted everything out of the way so that we can get this pretty baby in the frame. And then let's put this here too. And then this was the packaging it came in. It's the Christmas packaging, which is the prettiest packaging I've ever freaking seen. I'm not really one to like keep all the packaging, especially when I'm on vacation, but I had to keep this one. So let me just cut to the chase. I already had this one on my mind before we went in. Oh, so pretty. Okay. I haven't seen her since we came back from vacation. But oh my gosh, so freaking beautiful. Oh, I just can't get over it. I can't believe that I have this bag right now. And then here's the bottom and the back. It's still packaged the way that she gave it to me. And can I just say that Dior has the nicest customer service ever. This is my first Dior purchase, and every time I walk in there, they always treat me so nicely. But anyways, yeah, this is the Lady Dior in the small ABC, and I got the Mitza because it was just too pretty and I couldn't say no. And then let me just show you the charms that I picked out. So because this is the ABC version, it comes with a strap, and then it comes with 3 free charms. And then these are the ones that I picked out. Oh. Okay, well. So I picked out these 3. They're super pretty. And then I am a sucker for the little sparkles on them. The sales associate, who was super nice, she told me that since it came with 3 free, I should kind of get the ones with that had the embellishments on them, because if you buy them separately, they're $60, but if you get them with the purse, they come in the price of the purse. So I saw these guys and they're super pretty. And then let me share the pricing with you guys and make sure I cover everything. So I think right now it is online. The price of this is I think it's $5,300 right now. And then over there I bought it for, okay, here it is. Okay, I bought it for $4,700, and then these are for the charms, and then this is the price of the Mitza. I think online it's $250. So yeah, pretty good discount. And then they are currently charging taxes where I went, because I heard that in the past they weren't, but bummer for me, they're charging taxes. But yeah, if I could totally film like a first impression of, ooh, let me just take all this stuff off, how everything goes with this. I haven't used her yet. Oh, she's so pretty. I'm just looking her in the viewfinder and I just cannot get over how pretty it is. But yeah, let me just scooch over. Here's my roundup of all the pretty things that I got in Hawaii. If you have any questions about purchasing in Hawaii, go ahead and let me know. I tried to just provide the pricing just for transparency. And then in the future, I think I'm going to film like first impressions and then maybe comparison videos. I could totally do a first impression of this one or that one or that one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and listening to me babble and get super excited about all this materialistic stuff.